Hello everyone, my name is Sujata Dhiman and I am a student of MSc Zoology in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University Mandi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about a disease, trypanosomiasis. This is also known as sleeping sickness. The parasite Trypanosoma gambiens caused a disease known as trypanosomiasis or sleeping sickness. Now, let's talk about the Trypanosoma gambiens. It belongs from phylum Protozoa and it is commonly reported from Central and Western Africa, Nigeria, and Central America. Commonly found in areas near the river, lakes, having the low marshy land. Now its habitat, it is endoparasite and lives as parasite in the lymph, blood, lymph nodes, spleen, cerebrospinal fluid of the man, and also in intestine of tsetse and now vector. Tsetse is also known as the vector for the transmission of this disease. Now, this is the structure of the trypanosoma. It is slender, elongated, colorless, sickle-shaped and flattened microscopic body which is tapering at both the ends, and the body is covered by a thin elastic and firm pellicide. Now, let's talk about the life cycle. The life cycle is digenetic, that is, it involves two hosts. Definitive host is man, and intermediate host is tsetse. This is the life cycle of trypanosoma. This part of life cycle occur in man, and this part of life cycle occur in tsetse. First of all, the fly bites a man and it inoculates a few parasites in the blood of the man. The parasites are present in the blood of the man and causes gambia fever. Further, the parasite enter into the cerebrospinal fluid of the man. This produces various nervous symptoms and causes sleeping sickness. The parasite multiply by longitudinal binary fission in the blood and produces three forms: long and thin, short and stumpy, and intermediate. Only the short and stumpy forms survive and rest dies. The short and stumpy forms are capable of development in the intermediate host. Now, when tsetse sucks the blood of the infected man, a number of parasites enter into the midgut of the fly, and these parasites remains in the midgut and start multiplying by longitudinal binary fission. After 10 to 15 days, long slender forms appear in the great number, and after several more days, the trypanosomes make their way to the fly's salivary gland. In this salivary gland, they become attached to the walls and undergoes another rapid phase of multiplication by longitudinal binary fission and develop into critidial forms. These critidial forms further develop into metacyclic forms by longitudinal binary fission. These metacyclic forms are infective, and these metacyclic forms enter in the blood of the man along with the saliva of fly, and the whole cycle in the fly usually occur 2 to 30 days. Now, pathogenicity. It causes trypanosomiasis and symptoms are itching and irritation where the fly bites, fever and headache, gambia fever, anemia, loss of weight, nervous symptoms known as sleeping sickness, diagnosis, examining fresh or stained peripheral blood, examining cerebrospinal fluid. Now its treatment. Compound of arsenic and antimony were until recently the drugs for the treatment of trypanosomiasis. Bayer 205 and pentamidine, lomidine also used for the treatment of trypanosomiasis. Prevention. By eradicating vector, keep reservoir host free from its infection, and preventing measures should be taken for infection of the parasite. So that's all about the trypanosomiasis.